Terrible.
Seth Bernard. Do I really air out like him? You do now. Ever since that day that you were like, I'm gonna do a Seth Bernard, you did it on purpose. Ever since then, you do.
Good thing?
What?
Well, that must be a good thing.
It looks pretty sick.
Dude, I think I popped both my
Oh, fuck you, I can't do that.
Okay, now see what? What I
Oh my god.
Yeah. You're probably not gonna do it.
Yeah.
Where's the balls? This is gonna hurt. What happened? What did what?
Oh,
I can't do that first try. I don't know. It's not that bad, right?
Yeah, I wanted to see. Oh god. Richard, remember that time I was trying to breathe on this?
What?
Remember when I was trying to do a breathe? That's real nice. What was that? I'll free it.
Hurt.
Something like that.
I want to see it. That was the craziest stair set gap ever.
Yeah, ever, man.
Ever.
Excuse me, I want to do it here. I want to try it.
I suck at it.
Do this shit. I got it before you. Remember?
That was bad.
Remember that?
I was gonna land on.
Remember the first time you were trying to do on that? I got it before you. It's hurt now.
Huh? Oh, my hand hurts.
I still got a crackhead. That was like 3 weeks ago.
Do this after, it'd be cooler. How would that not be cool?
It looked better if I landed straight.
Wow. One-handers are scary and horrifying.
Oh, that's nice, right?
Actually, I got a tackle for that.
I didn't even air out. Oh,
my God. Whoa, we did not just boner air that gap.
Hey, Dick, car home straight. Oh, you go the fucking. Oh, you go the other way. Go, do it.
Ow.
Ah.
Mark.
Hey, let's jump off the kicker on near the stair and jump over the flat end and out of the stair. Okay, let's see how.
That was a good one, huh?
Alright, let's see how close I can get to a wall flap. Oh god. Oh no! Oh god.
Yeah, I think I might try to jump over the fence one day. Okay, badass. You have to sit your ass right where I'm gonna go. That was a good one, dude.
Don't you think you should try to hop out of the car?